In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your formula bar here in Google Sheets. So if for some reason you are bothered with your formula bar right here, which displays your formulas within your cells, if I select this one, it just tells me the value, but if there is a formula, it also shows that as well. So again, if you want to hide this formula bar right here, what you're going to do is to just go to View here in the menu bar, select Show at the top, and select Formula Bar. So at the moment, this is checked, meaning it is displayed on our spreadsheet. But if we click this one, there you have it. We have hidden that formula bar that, again, would be placed right here. So now, if you don't want to see your formula within your cells, that's how you can hide your formula bar. But if you want to show that again, just do the same thing, go back to View, select Show, and this time you will see that it is now unchecked. So if we click on that one more time, it will display or it will show our formula bar again. So to hide that, go to View, select Show, and uncheck or unselect that formula bar. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. You can hide your formula bar here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.